English language comprises of 42 sounds. And these 42 sounds are divided into 7 groups. And each group has 6 sounds. Now, these sounds are actually represented by a particular action which allows kids to easily be able to remember the particular sound. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to look at the first group. And the first group has the letters S, A, T, I, P, and N. Now, what are these sounds? First one is sound S. The second one is sound A. A. The third one is sound T. 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 And the fourth one is sound I. 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 And then the fifth one is sound P. And the last one is sound N. N. So altogether, the sounds are S,